I'll be honest. Not a lot of planning went into this one. Pretty last minute idea to get out. I'm in a familiar place, but I'm going to be going to a new spot. There's a few lakes in here, and I've only explored the first couple. The last time I was in here this past spring, this lake was half frozen, so I couldn't actually get in any deeper. Summer's coming to a close, and the weekend weather looks too nice to pass up. So I'm only going to be going out for one night tonight, but one night's better than no nights. I really was going to try and commit to the double blade for this, but I can't paddle with the fishing rod holder in the way. Oh yeah, this little guy. Just a little guy. You ready? Look at this monster. Well, the fishing this trip is officially not a bust. So coming up is a really short portage into a pretty small lake, but the water levels are quite low right now. So that small lake might actually be dried up, in which case I'll have to do a moderately long portage to get around it instead. I don't know if I'm getting through that. Well, I thought I was caught on bottom, which I was, but somewhere along the line I caught another little bass. He's tiny though. I was trying to retrieve my line, and of course it got all tangled up. There. Ugh, what a mess. That's it for fishing for now. There's a portage right here behind me. There is one campsite over there. There's two campsites in the other lake. I have about 2 hours before sunset. You know what? I'm here. I might as well go. Might as well go all the way. That portage ended up being a little longer just because of the low water. The actual sign was 580 meters, but the spot that it led to was way too boggy. I took a minute to fix the rod, so when I get out here I'll cast the line and see how it goes. I was gonna say either I have a fish or I'm caught on bottom already. Got a little fish. Whoa. Hey. That guy hit hard. I picked up some birch bark on the portage. Feel pretty good about that decision. There's some shepherd's pie. I'll let that sit. So I stupidly forgot my cutlery at home. So I'm gonna try and make a little spoon for myself here. Well, I accidentally chipped the corner of it here, but there's my scoop. Yeah, it'll work, I'm sure. Rehydrated nicely. Looks like shepherd's pie to me. I did 4 portages today. And then if you calculate the fact that I had to double carry everything, I essentially walked each portage 3 times. That's 6 kilometers of portaging today. Seems like a shame to do that much portaging for only 1 night. But 1 night's better than no nights. Oh man, I got so wrapped up in trying to make dinner quickly and make my tea. I totally forgot I brought a beer. I never do that. I pictured drinking this, sitting in the chair, watching the sunset, but I got in late. I went quite a bit farther today than I originally planned. Beer by the campfire sounds pretty good. Cheers. It's not the greatest branch, so I am trying to be gentle with it. Got myself a stick. I'm going to go underneath that, tie a slip knot, put the stick in there as high as I can, and then just let it go. And now that food bag is totally free hanging. Pancake mix with dehydrated bananas and chocolate chips. Should be pretty good. And of course, no pancake breakfast would be complete without maple syrup. The dehydrated banana pieces soften up tremendously well. They're nice and mushy now. Pro tip for keeping your backcountry cooking utensils clean while you're out. As soon as you're done cooking with it, fill it with water, put it back on the fire, and just let it boil. That'll bring up a lot of the stuck-on gunk. For a one-nighter like this, it's not really a big deal if I leave here with it dirty, but for multi-day trips, it's pretty important to keep it clean. No soap, just a scrub. Works pretty good. Breakfast was great. Those pancakes worked out really well. That was a great little one-nighter. Had the lake completely to myself. But with that being said, I do have quite the paddle portage combination to get out of here, so I'm gonna get going. As always, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.